go straight down this little alley. We're basically on this main street. This is Rua do Campo. You can see McDonald's down that way. That goes down to the Portuguese bookstore in San Malo and São Paulo ruins. And then this goes to Gocida. It's pretty loud on this busy street. This is kind of a major north-south street. So we're gonna head down that way. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are on this major north-south street, and we're gonna head into this little area down there, and we're gonna come off this main street right here, and let's get right into it. Looks like we got a little marketplace person right here. I used to see that when I was in Korea a long time ago. People would sell stuff like that right in the near the elevators. Hello. So I guess I haven't seen that in a long time. So there's a market right over here too. So that's the marketplace. So a lot of people will come and sell stuff down that way. So she might be kind of a leftover person that's found her own spot there. I don't think they're usually allowed to sell fish in the street like that. Not in Macau, maybe in mainland. And this right here is Mercado. So they'll sell meat and vegetables all the way around in this area, as you can see. And then inside there'll be like red meat, there'll be chicken, fish, different stuff like that. And a lot of but I'm not going to bring the camera in there, but you can kind of see in there anyways. You see stuff all the way down that way as well, but I want to stick to our main street that we're focusing on, which is Rua de Tomás da Rosa, which is this street right here. So that's going to be our focus right there. You can also go up and over. You can take that and go all the way to the other side as well. More marketplace stuff. You see cafe free. This kind of reminds me of way back when I was in Korea a long time ago. So we can head straight that way. There's a little temple right here. Some bamboo right there. Yeah, this reminds me a lot of when I was in Korea a long time ago. I was kind of I was in Busan. Actually, at that time they used to call it Busan, but now they spell it differently with a B. Look, guys, curious, I guess. Got a little, got a temple right there, and this goes right up to the top there as well. Let's take a look in here real quick. So yeah, this is a nice temple right in this area. Oh wow, they got a little shadow thing. It's pretty cool. Okay. So we're gonna step outside of that. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get across here. Okay, so that's our little street down that way, and then we're gonna keep going up, and we see more stuff up on the corners. We've got a tailor right here. Chicken, duck. Little marketplace. Oh wow, they got some artwork on here now. They didn't have artwork last time I was here that I recall. Then you got all these little alleys, tiny little alleys like that, and like that. That's where we're just coming from. So yeah, look at that.
because you have to go down to catch it like that.
And like that one too. So it looks like, I guess that's, looks like some kind of noodle. Oh, you got more up there. You got some artwork here too. So, okay. Vintage ensemble. Ooh, a vintage shop right there. Nice. So maybe they got some permission to do some artwork on there. Nice bench in the middle too, right? Macau is really nice because it has all these plazas like that. Now we're gonna take a look at this one. You got that one as well. I guess he's parked, maybe he's parked illegally, I guess. So that's where we're at right there. Let's just keep on going up. Bird. I like those red lamps right there too. There's another bird on that side too. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I actually got like a little bit of a bird theme in here. You also got some alleys too. Take a look. So you got all these little parallel alleys that go all the way down. Nice. The decal. I have filmed in here before. It's pretty cool. And we got that alley down that way as well. And then we have this one. Okay. Now we're up at the top. Good, Tomás de Rosa. Okay, so this is kind of the main, at the main street, but it looks pretty cool. That's the one we were just on just a minute ago. Angel bear. De Tomás de Rosa. So that's that street. Pretty beautiful. Kind of cool. You got to go uphill a little bit, but it's well worth it. So I guess we'll just do our final 360. Got a little alley right up that way. That's the Grand Lisboa Casino up that way. Okay. And we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha.